aspirant, welcome to CSAT FIT PYQs. This is question asked in CSAT paper 2024. So this is a question on partnership and ratio, profit and loss based concept. Very important concept. So now let's discuss the question. See, two persons P and Q enter into a business. P puts 14,000 more than Q, but P has invested for 8 months. So P 8 months, where Q has invested for, so Q has invested for 10 months. So if P share is 400 more than Q share out of the total profit of rupees 2000. So what is the capital? So here we are given P's share in profit. P's share in profit is 400 more than Q's share. So P share is 400. So let's take Q's share is X. So Q share is X and P's share is 400 more than X out of total profit of rupees 2000. So total profit is 2000. So this 2000 is what? Is P plus Q share. P और Q का बात हो रही है. So X plus 400 plus X. So this is 2000. Then so 2000. So 2X plus 400 is 2000. And so 1600 is 2X. 400 इधर आया minus. So X is equal to 800. So X is what? X is Q share. So Q share is 800 and P share is 400 plus 800, 400 plus X. So P share is 400 plus 800, that is 1200. So profit ratio, we got it. So profit ratio of P is to Q, P by Q ka profit ratio is 1200 by 800, right? So this is 400 2s are and 400 3s are. So profit ratio of P is to Q is 3 is to 2. So profit ratio of P is to Q is 3 is to 2, right? 3 is to 2, that is the profit ratio, right? P is to Q is 3 is to 2. So now, so we need to remember it's like profit ratio. So profit ratio calculate करना है. So profit ratio is equal to ratio, ठीक है, is written in the form of investment into time. Investment into time. So this is the formula. So profit ratio. So now we need profit ratio of P is to Q is 3 by 2. P and Q का बात हो रही है. So P is equal to, अब profit ratio of P 3 is to 2 दिया है. अब profit ratio investment into time. So investment is what? So investment of P, let's assume it as P into time. So P is doing it in 8 months, right? 8 months. So time is 8 months here. And Q का, ठीक है, is to Q का profit ratio का हम बात कर रहे हैं 3 is to 2. So Q का investment into time. So let's take it as Q into time as 10 because 10 months Q is investing for 10 months. So from this we'll get, so P is to Q, that is 3 by 2 is equal to, ठीक है, P into 8 by Q into 10, right? So like this we have represented P is to Q का हम profit ratio given जो हमें आया वो and profit ratio जो दिया है वो equate कर रहे हैं. So now, so 2 4s are and 5s are, right? 5s are. So it is 15 by 8 is equal to P by Q. So P is to Q ka ratio is 15 is to 8. So P is to Q ka ratio is 15 is to 8, right? So this is the ratio, right? So now question में क्या दिया है? 2 persons P enter where P puts 14,000 more than Q, ठीक है? So अब P and Q का difference is, see, if ratio we need to find out. So this is 15k is to 8k in ratio chapter we, so this is, so the difference, that is 7k is the difference because see P investment is what? P is equal to 14,000 plus Q. So this 14,000 is difference between, so that is P minus Q is equal to 14,000, right? So that's what we are getting. So P is to Q. So P represents 15K and Q represents, so that is P minus Q, 7K is equal to 14,000. Okay, अब 7 2s are, so K is equal to 2,000. So now we need, question is what? Question is, what is the capital contributed by P? Capital contributed by P is what? So K आ गया 2,000. So capital contributed by P is 15K. So 15 into 2,000, that is 30,000. So 30,000 is the capital contributed by P. अगर क्वेश्चन में पूछते तो capital contributed by Q है तो that would be 8 into 2,000. So that is 16,000 होता. Right? So capital contributed by P is the question. So capital contributed by P is 30,000. So 30,000 P ने contribute किया, ठीक है. Then Q ने 16,000 contribute किया, right? And profit share भी वो सब आ जाएगा. So this is the question.